Most people think getting Canada Permanent Residency take years. And the answer is no. What if I told you that it takes a little as 6 months to get Canada Permanent Residency? At College Migration, we have seen students and professionals unlock Canada PR are faster than you can imagine. And today, I'm going to tell you exactly how. Welcome to College Migration. If your dream is to study, work, or settle in Canada, we are here to make sure that your dream and objectives of being in Canada is being aimed. In this video, we will break down 5 top fastest ways to secure Canada PR, and you'll be shocked to how these pathways are very easy and fast. Stick around in this video because I will also tell you the 5 big mistakes that delays most PR applications. So stick around. Number 1 is express entry. This is the most fastest and popular route for skilled workers. With a strong CRS score built from your education, IELTS score, work experience, and also your age. You can also get an invitation to apply within months. At College Migration, we have seen students boost their scores by improving their English tests. And this actually makes a whole lot of difference. And number 2 is Provincial Nominee Programs. So here is the secret. Now, province are where they are desperate, they desperately need for talent. If you still match what they need, they can actually nominate you directly, which adds 600 points to your experience entry profile. And that is basically an automatic PR invite. Number 3 is study in Canada plus post-graduation work permits. So this is where college migration comes in very strong. So now all you need to do is just to study in Canada for 1 or 2 years and get your post-graduation work permits. Then apply for PR with your Canada work experience. So it is not just about your education. It is also a very best way for settlement. So number 4 is family sponsorship. So if you have a family in Canada, this is a very easiest and fastest way to get your PR, that's your permanent residence. So most people actually think it just applies to spouse, but no, your grandparents, your parents, if you have your parents in Canada, you have your grandparents, you have your siblings, whatever at all that that is relatively related to you, you can apply for your PR. So pilot programs like Atlantic Immigration Program, these are for smaller province and communities. So this is where demands are high and the process are very easy, right? And faster. So if you're open to living outside big cities, I think this is a very big chance for you to apply for your PR. So these are your 5 fastest ways to apply for Canada PR in 2025. Whether through express entry, a PNP, pilot program, or maybe you're studying in Canada, any of this ways can actually lead you to what? So permanent residency in Canada. So there's always a PR entry for everyone. And this is College Migration, where your dream of studying abroad, your sponsorship tips and visa tips are being given to you on a platter of gold. So see you in the next episode. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel at College Migration. Do not forget to keep liking, commenting, and then sharing on our posts. And also don't forget to follow us on all our socials. And that's the Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, LinkedIn, and then Twitter at College Migration. I still remain your host, Favor Ifeanyi, popularly known as QOP. See you in the next episode. Be positive. Do not go nowhere. And bye for now.